Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I wanted to do a brief video on Etsy free listing code. And if you are a new Etsy seller, how you could get 40 free listings today. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful Etsy business, consider subscribing to my videos. I have over 254 videos to help you build an impactful online business right now. So make sure to subscribe. When you are ready to go ahead and open your Etsy shop, all you have to do is use the link that I left below this video and also in the comment section. If you use that link, you and I both will receive 40 free listings, and that's a great way to start an Etsy shop. And if you want to learn about something specifically that maybe you didn't find in my YouTube channel to help you get started, make sure that you leave in the comment section any video suggestions that you have, and I will go ahead and do one for you. Thank you guys for watching, and if you look at the screen now, you'll see like other videos that will be beneficial when starting an Etsy shop. Thanks.